So good morning to everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Ruchi Soya share. So we'll see the complete fundamentals as well as what can we do in this particular share. Can we hold it or can we sell it or what can we do? So that strategy we'll discuss and we'll see the latest updates as well which affected the stock price in the previous days as well. So watch the video till the end so that you'll not miss any update on it. Okay, and people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. Okay, we know that on 15th July, okay, on 15th July, we know that Ruchi Soya has given, okay, this letter stating that this has reference to the company's disclosure dated 14 July informing about, okay, the resignation of Mr. Bhavana Samir Shah, okay, that he has resigned this company Ruchi Soya. Why? Because we know that due to the reason also is mentioned, so we can see that from the office of board of directors of the company with effect from 13th July 2020 due to preoccupation. So what is this preoccupation? So preoccupation means that he is occupied with some other activities in which he is interested and is focusing on that part, not on the Ruchi Soya activity. So those were the statements which were given in this, and most of you were known about this particular article. Almost it was given 15th July only. So just I am discussing so that people are new to this, so they will understand what is happening actually in Ruchi Soya. Okay. And he also stated that in the same letter they told that there is no other reason apart from the reason which is mentioned above. Okay, you can see only the reason is the preoccupation. So whenever any person especially belonging to high level, when they are resigning any company, will it's not a good sign for the company's future. Yes or no? Because it's selling, I am having any preoccupation, that's why I'm leaving the particular company, implies that is having some negative view on Ruchi Soya. Even that point you need to understand. Okay, so that's why the share price also has shown some correction as well. So we'll try to see that on technical charts also. So before that, let us see the basic fundamentals. Okay, if you see the market cap of this particular company is around 24,000 crores. Okay, and if you see in and if you see PE, okay, you can see PE is almost 626. So we can say that it's present at very high valuations. We know that almost a 3 rupees stock almost gave huge rally and went to 1500 later. Now it has started correcting. Okay, and book value is also trading in a negative. You can see 52 week high is almost 1519, whereas 52 week low is almost 3.35. You can see current market price around 820.80. Okay, but one good thing is that it is having some movement, so directly lower circuit is not hitting, so that anyone who want to exit or add in small quantities, they can do such sort of things. But fresh investment right now is not recommended. So we'll see the levels, what can we do. Okay, okay, next you can see the pledging, how much amount of pledging the company is having, almost 99.84, and you can see promoters holding as well. So rest of all FIs are having 0%, mutual funds are having 0%. So nobody have invested in this particular company, especially the financial institution, banks, as well as insurance companies. So next, what are the strengths as well as the opportunities that are available in this stock? So before that, when we see the market sentiment for this particular stock, that is Ruchi Soya market sentiment, we can see almost 54% is on buy side, 38% on sell side, and 8% is on holding. So and trend is almost in a bearish trend. So we'll see that as well. What will be the next possible levels if it continues its downtrend. Okay, Next, when we see the strengths of this particular company, you can see there is a strong annual EPS growth. It's showing that bullish hammer, we don't know, bullish reversal. So let's see that as well. Next, annual net profits improving from last 2 years. Next, what are the basic negatives for this? You can see the main negative was the results as well as company's losses. So profit generation for this company was becoming very difficult. So net profit with the falling profit margin quarter on quarter as well as year on year, and we have seen almost pledging is also very high in the company, and stock almost lost 20% in 1 month. Okay, continuously it was in lower circuits if we see in past month, but now some movement has come. Next, what are the opportunities? We can see that highest recovery from 52-week low, decrease in provisions in recent results, and stock P. Stock P is not less than 10, it's very high only. Okay, because it's showing losses, the P is not updated. So that's the main reason. Okay. So what are the threats which are visible to the company? We can see that almost increasing trend in non-core income, degrowth in revenue and profit. So this was the main reason. The profits, revenues, and everything were down. We can see that all the financials were not great for the company. So that's why this amount of correction was there. Also, we know regarding the case on coronal medicine as well. So many factors influence that, not only the financials of this. So many people are also trapped near 1500. They didn't know what to do, but later nowadays when movement has started, they're slowly exiting that particular stock, and few people are interested also, they are adding. So we'll see can we add at that levels or not. Okay, if we see deliveries, you can see almost from we can see July 3rd, July 7th, July 9th, July 9th, almost 100% deliveries were present, but later again the deliveries started decreasing and almost 38.2% deliveries are seen. So we can say that day by day deliveries are decreasing. So interest on this particular stock is slightly reducing. Okay, people are not focusing and not adding much amount of shares at this much high valuations. Yes or no? When you have Alok Industries, when you have Birla Tyres, when so many circuits are when so many stocks are available at with that particular valuations, why people will buy this stock at a very high valuation? That was the main point. That amount of deliveries have also reduced for this particular stock. So that's the one reason. You can see almost on this day, almost July 15th, when the news has come about his resignation, you can see how much amount of traded quantity was seen. You can see this is the light one is the traded quantity. So heavy traded quantity was also seen. Okay, now let's see the technicals before we conclude this video. Okay, if you see the Ruchi Soya chart, this is 1 day chart. So you can see here immediate support. So this is a very good support, 729. Okay, it is a very good support. You can see almost it has touched this in previous, that is when it has come to that level, level was tested 2 times and almost it retraced first time, and then it has given, see, first it has retraced, again it has come there, and then it has given breakout and went with a huge upward movement. Now if it comes to that level and if it breaks that, then definitely so further downfall may be seen in this particular stock. So 729 is a very good support that you need to watch out. Then after that, immediate one will be the 572. So 572 and 729 are the immediate supports for this stock. So there only you have even the 2 pivot points as well. Okay, so we can say very good levels to watch out. So currently it's falling down. Okay, people who have heavy quantity can exit little bit and keep only small quantities. So don't ever invest in heavy quantities, especially in these type of stocks. Okay, focus on Alok Industries. We have Birla Tyres, so add in those shares in small quantities, because those management is very good. We can see fundamentally they are very good stocks. Compared to these stocks, they are little better stocks. Okay, next, if we see the money flow index, so what you can see in money flow index is that you can see almost it is now reaching the oversold region. Okay, still little correction is possible and still it will correct. So watch out for 729 as well as 572. Next, what we can see in 1 week chart. Okay, in 1 week chart also we can see that okay, see, little more correction is possible. So we can see same things. So once it will enter this particular region, okay, it should enter this channel, so then only we can find out the next targets for this particular company. But for now we need to watch out the levels of 729 as well as 572. Even in 1 week chart also the money flow index is showing till some correction is possible. So wait patiently, don't do fresh investment at these particular levels. Only people have this particular share at 500, so they can hold that. Okay, when it was open around 500, when people added, so they can hold it. Others all don't do any fresh investment. Okay, search for value investing stocks. Don't put heavy investment in these type of stocks. So that's what I wanted to tell you. So in the next videos we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care. Bye bye.